Bring your Honda CR250R back to its full potential with the Vertex Engine Rebuild Kit. Designed specifically for the 1995 and 1996 CR250R, this comprehensive package brings together the essential components needed for a dependable engine rebuild. From the piston and rings to the bearings, seals, and gasket components, everything is selected to work together as a complete top-to-bottom solution. Whether you're restoring a well-used engine or preparing your machine for another season of hard riding, Vertex delivers trusted precision and performance. Visit us at Powersport Junkies and get yours today.